Well, welcome back. We're in June, so time to sell stuff. So we're gonna get rid of this. Well, not get rid of, because not yet the best time to sell these, but it is the best time to sell our soybeans. So price is still rising. So because it's still rising, we need to get it to the point where we make money on it. So let's go dump this where it needs to be dumped. And I still haven't, I've spent money to do this bit here, but I still haven't done the other bit, which is the road. So we're slowly getting equipment. I definitely need a seeder. Okay. Why can't I unload this? Okay, I need to be right on it too. That's strange. So soybeans, 3613 the price. 34 is supposed to be the best. And the best price is at the store, which we know where it is now. I will tag it nevertheless. No, 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 no. Yes. So we'll have to go there, what, 3 times? 3 times we will need to go there to get it sold. But we should get ourselves a decent amount of money on it, so because of that, it's worth it. And you know what? For this tiny little trailer, it actually has a very, very good capacity. Now, also our corn is ready to be harvested. We'll do our best to try and get to that as well. Let's get rid of the... Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, don't push me so hard. It's going, and it's going. It's not joking. All right, so we've got our first 45,000 liters. Keep in mind, these soybeans is all our harvest since we started. I don't think we've ever sold soybeans. I think this is the very first time. So the 100,000 liters of soybeans that we got, it's the soybeans that we've been collecting and collecting and collecting. So I can, whoa, 178,000, holy macaroni. So we're gonna make some good money out of these. And I do believe that whatever planks we have, we can sell them today as well, and that will be the best price as well. You know, this truck is kind of struggling to go as it needs to go, but you know what? It's okay. Soybeans, yes. Is it still going up? Nope. And I'm not going to slow that time down. I don't think it's going to make a huge difference how far we are from the sales point. We may lose some, obviously, if it starts to go down. I'd love to see in Farming Simulator, whatever next Farming Simulator will be, I'd like to see a contract-based thing. Like, it's what tends to happen in real life, from what I see farmers, is where you get given a crop price before you even plant it, or as it's planted, whatever. So they give you a price that you kind of agree to, and if it goes up or down, that's bad luck. That's, well, if it goes down, good luck. If it goes up and higher than what you contracted at, bad luck. I'd like to see something like that in the new farming simulator, because it is a little bit ridiculous. Like on some maps where it takes you forever to, you have massive fields and you go and you got probably 3, 4, 500,000 liters or something. By the time you sell it, you lose a lot of money. Like 162, what is that, 361. So I don't think we've lost any money yet. But let me know what you think. I think it'd be a good idea, when you plant it, maybe when you plant it, you get to contract it at a particular price. And instead of having this cycle, where you have a month that is highest and so on, they give you a price, and maybe even get the crop to start to rot or lose value the longer it stays in your silo. So give it a year or something. Then if you keep it longer than that, you just get it to rot. And then am I asking too much? I think I'm asking too much. I think I'm dreaming. But you know what? Holding to these soybeans until it was the peak price, that was a great idea. Imagine if I would have sold it when it was 1,600, I think it was. Now, we would have lost, if I sold that when it was 1,600 and now it's at 3,600, we would have lost about 60% of this value of what we're getting now, 162,000. So we would get about 60,000 per trailer, give or take a little bit, instead of 162,000. So it would have been massive losses. And now I better not forget to go and change the trailer to pallets. Now I don't actually know if this will auto load pallets or will it only auto load bales. So we'll find out, I suppose. So another 87,000. Let's untag this because it's becoming ridiculous. Go back, untag it. All right. So we made $400 and about $13,000 on 100 and what do we have? 11, 12, 13,000 liters of soybeans. So is soybeans worth it? Absolutely. I should take this equipment home. I'm starting to do what Daggerwin and ChainSaw are doing, and that is customize. I like the fact that you can customize it and it doesn't cost you anymore. Does it say how much? Okay, so my expensive. Oh, look at that. Hey, oh. Oh, mountain obviously doesn't have collision because I can go straight through it. Ah! Okay, so it looks like no. It's telling me that the loading area is full. Well, we know it's not full because it's empty. I'll come back after the tether as well. Now, one thing that I've done, which may end up working against me, is pretty much, other than our combine, everything that we own is from the second-hand dealership. Now, as we know, that loses a lot of value. So, you know, you buy a $500,000 combine, you get it for 20,000. By the time you get it in your shed, it's 80,000. So you automatically have lost 140, 130, $150,000. So when you resell it, you don't get that, you know, peak value. So let's deal with this. Okay, let's have a look at furniture prices. What else do we have? So we got 50,000 liters of that, but we gotta wait till February to sell that. And where is my furniture? 6.4, 6.3, so that's not bad. 4.2. Also, planks is at its best. So we'll go grab the planks. I wonder if he'll auto load. I definitely need to come and fix these. Alright, so obviously the first thing I'm gonna do is buy the block of land with the ship. And after that, we're gonna buy some sheep, obviously, but we need, well, we have grass actually. And now we have the money to buy oh, that's all I have to say. Oh, that is very, very rough. Oh, yes, it does. Beautiful. Okay, so we got the planks. And we need to get some of the furniture. Oh my goodness, we got furniture. Nah, we can't go that way. We got 8,000 liters of furniture. Now, it's funny how it doesn't stack the furniture, but it stacks the planks. And now I've got a funny feeling that it's going to tell me that that's it. Yep. Ooh. So let me see, is it just throwing them? It is, just throwing them on the other side. My God, that's noisy. Okay. I really like this truck. Like I normally don't keep the trucks too much, but this truck really hits the right note, if I can say that. I think I'm gonna do is just put this down, unload it, and then just sell the planks. And wait till tomorrow to sell the furniture. Well, tomorrow as in next month. Let's have a look. Where do I have the best price for planks? Carpentry. No, they don't buy it. They store 6.2. Carpentry. Oh, I can put them in there, but they don't actually buy them. Why are they lying? So we've got either the selling goods or the store. The store it is. And let's bring you back so I can actually see what I'm doing. I can't see how much they're paying me because I can't see how much they're paying me. But it's $1,000, so it should be what, 4,200 and something? Okay, so you can stay here until the price goes good. Let's go. Okay, there. Oh, I'm thinking, why am I buying? See, like this one is a bit of a buy because you got all this area, the farm, the shops, and all that. That is kind of, but it has my. It has. I wish you could sort of sell it back to them halfway there. That would be nice, wouldn't it? That would be nice. So I suppose I could sort of compensate since I'm not. What are you getting there? Let's go have a look. And let's put you up there. So does that mean that all of these now should be giving me better prices? Because all of these I own now. The shop I own. So they should be giving me better prices, shouldn't they? Since I'm the owner. They're not really. Well, that's alright, but... And 35,000. Oh, no, wrong. $35,000 for the sheep pen. Okay, now let's get rid of you. And let's go and investigate our equipment that we just purchased. Wow, that's an ugly looking lamb. Hey, we can get goats. So what do sheep not require? They require water. So do they give you wool? Okay, so I can make cheese. That is one ugly goat. Young goat, female, mountain. Can I do... So let's buy 10 of those. And goats are... grass or hay. Additionally, they require water. Goats are... they produce milk and can be sold. Goat's milk is ideal. I don't know why I'm doing that, because where am I going to get the milk from? So I don't know. Am I wasting my money? Ram. Well, I only need... I don't need 10, that's for sure. 2 will do. Don't ship female. Oh, that doesn't look good. That one looks good. Select. And we'll buy 60 of those. And we'll buy 60 of those. So let's go see our goats. Where are they? Wait. There's the goat. Okay. That's alright, the mountain goats, so they have plenty of... Oh, look at this. Okay, how do I get a bale down there? You know what? This is where having a front loader would have helped, but none of my tractors. Oh. I also need to. It seems to be a quicker way to just do this. At least I got some feed. I just realized that I'm gonna have to buy something to give them water. Okay, so water tower. Oh, where are you? The buildings, containers. I don't like that one. Is it a nicer one? Fuel. Do I have something nicer? Oh, there. Water tank. Lime tank. Water tank. But see, I own all of these, so I don't have to. Oh no. Let's go. I really need. I need to do some more landscaping over here. Okay, we need to do a little bit of landscaping. Soften up. Okay, and let's go up here. Where was that one corner that kind of looked a bit... Kind of looks a bit like, you know... Okay. Now we need to get a water truck. Now I can buy a fancy one. I think I have a fancy one. Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Can buy something like this for 50 grand. Doesn't even tell me how much water it holds. Or I can, oh, there you are. So let's have a look. Engine, sun visor. So what's it telling me now? 14, so that's 14,000 liters. How do I get it to be capacity? 22, 20, 18, 16. So 22. That gives me an extra 10,000 liters. Attachers, yes, why not? Logos on mud flaps. Why not? Roof parts. So what's the roof part? Sounds good. Sun visor. No, I never liked the sun visor. GPS I don't need. We'll make this a blue since it's a water truck and no license plate. Beauty with this one only holds, oh, no actually, but this one holds more. Let's go to my shop that is ripping me off. Yes, 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 yes. Oh, this is a proper truck, even the beacon lighting. Now, do you think they're going to charge me for water? It better not be. Oh, this one's charging me for water. Okay, do I have... I have water on the map right here. Okay. We're not going to pay for water. How do I get to the water? That's a different story. We'll go and explore the map and see how we get to the water. Please, 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 please give me water. Yes. So then we definitely can get rid of... Where are we? Oh, the other way, the other way. Oh. Whoa. Oh. Okay, so we'll be getting all our water from here. Let's go in. Oh, face full of trees. Beautiful. This is like a nice pasture, so we need to buy this land here and get ourselves some grass. So this is what I like this map is, like, as anyone that has watched my videos knows, I like No Man's Land. I've played that map on every single FSS that has been out. The beauty with this map, it's a very similar style, but it's multi-level, which No Man is not. Turn. Oh, I just missed it. I hope that this actually takes water, gives water. Oh, yes, it does. Beautiful. Okay, so one bale was how much food for the animals? Got some wool, water, it's still going. Grass, 5,000 liters. It's not too bad. Not too bad. Alright, so we've got a little bit of water left. Actually, what I'm going to do, I'm going to park you right there. After all, we own all this land. All of this belongs to us. So, I can, or does it fit in there? Let's have a look. Oh, I hope it fits in there, which is the animal dealer. So we own the animal dealer. Shouldn't be charging us fees for delivery. Oh, you. Why would you make it so... Okay. Boom, done. Nice truck. Sheep are kind of happy. They got a bit of food, but they got plenty of grass, plenty of mountainy area to play around with. And one thing I want to check, since I purchased this, do I now... What? That's a bit of a rip-off. So I bought the land and he's sitting on my land and he wants to charge me 100k. Oh my god, that is so noisy. He wants to charge me $100,000 to let me use my own land. Anyway, we've mucked around enough. On our next episode, we will be obviously taking care of this harvest and planting something on our field that is nothing in there. Let's have a look. Is it just, yep, nothing there. So now we can harvest, plow it and get it all organized. All right, have a wonderful day wherever you are. God bless you and your family, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye-bye.